Good morning. This video is just a quick walkthrough of taking an evaluation that you have completed in Excel, downloading it as a PDF, taking that PDF and then pushing it through Adobe Sign for a digital signature. So to start, in Excel, this performance appraisal that you have here, it has 3 worksheets in it. When you download as a PDF, you want to make sure that you are selecting the sheet that you have filled out. So in this instance, I am looking at sheet 1 and I have completed sheet 1. So come on up to File, Save as Adobe PDF. It automatically puts sheet 1 into the PDF section of this pop-up. We want to keep it actual size, and we're going to click on Convert to PDF. Here's where you have a chance to rename it. I will put the teacher's name at the front. And for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to save it to my desktop. It opens into Adobe Acrobat Pro DC or Adobe Acrobat. Just go ahead and close that for now. So once you've completed your evaluations in Excel and you've downloaded them as PDFs, now we can take those PDFs and push them through Adobe Sign to get the digital signatures. So go ahead and open up Chrome. And you're going to navigate to sign.adobe.com. You're taken to this page here. You're going to choose Sign In. Make sure you type in your long Clovis USD email address. You do not need to type your password. Just click into that field and it will automatically push you through. If you happen to have an Adobe account previously, it might say personal account and company or school account. If it does, make sure you choose company or school account. If not, it should just push you straight through. Now for me, Adobe Sign opens here on the Send page. If yours happens to open on the Home page, just go ahead and click on Send. So the workflow from this point, we need to make sure that you are gaining signatures in a certain order. So the employee will sign first and then you will sign afterwards. So we want to make sure that we have this toggled on, complete in order. And you enter the employee's email first because they will sign first. I'm using a personal account, but this would be your teacher's email, Clovis Unified email there. And then secondary, it's going to come back to me to sign. So you add your signature second. We're going to skip this part for right now. Come down to Add Files. Choose the file from your computer. I know I had saved that on my desktop. I'm going to filter by date modified. There's the PDF I just saved. I'm going to go ahead and open that. Because I added the files, it populates the message here. You can go ahead and change this message if you like. You're going to select Preview and Add Signature Fields. And then select Next. After it processes the document, it's going to flag that there's a bunch of fields here. We're just going to ignore that. Okay. Come on down to where the employee needs to sign and you need to sign. The recipient area, if you click that down, that little down caret, you're going to see lots of my name show up here, but let me talk you through what these are. So this is the person that is creating the document right now and putting the signature fields on. This is the first signer. This will be the employee. This second signer in blue, it says me. It's going to come back to me, but it gives me this blue color because we are signing in order. Do not use this pink purpley one. It's going to make you pre-fill before you send it. So you're going to have to sign before it gets sent. So we're going to ignore that one. We're going to put the employee's signature in first. And so color is very important. The employee is this olive color. When I come down to signature fields, I'm going to drag that out. The star means it's required. And then the color here matches my recipient, the employee. Then if I need to put a date in there, you can come down to signer info fields and drag the date over. And as you can see, because I still have the employee selected, that date field will be filled in by the employee. Okay. Then I come down to me. I'll be the second signer, the evaluator signature. I go back to signature fields. I drag that signature over. You can also resize it if you like. And then come down to signer info fields and drag that date. So what you're looking at right now, the employee, which is olive, will sign first. Then the evaluator, which is blue, will sign second. We are not saving it to document library. We're just, from this point, going to go ahead and send it. So you will now get an email that this has been sent. When the signer signs it, you will receive an email. When it is ready for you to sign, you will receive an email. So after the document is sent, of course, everybody receives the emails about the progress of the document. But if you want to go back and find that document itself or check on the progress of that document, you can go ahead and click on the Manage tab. And the first section under Status is in progress. So you can see what is waiting for signatures at the moment. And if you need to, you can go ahead and click on Remind. And you have lots of options about how to send out that reminder, how often, a certain day, right now, who to send that reminder to, and you can also include an optional message. Waiting for you. What will show up here is anything that needs your signature, and anything that has been completed will be housed here. So under this completed section, you can go ahead and just open it, or you can download it. If you click on the title of the document, you have some other options that pop up over here on the sidebar. You can also share this with someone else. You can remind from this spot. You can also add notes. If you want to see who the recipients were of that document, you can select that section, and anything down here under activity shows you everything that's happened with this document from the time it was created until the last signature was on that document. So that's pretty much Adobe Sign in a nutshell. If you need any assistance, you can always just email me or call Sherry Johnston at cosd.com, and I'll be more than happy to help you. I hope you have a great day.